Go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Crack science of how a magnet works. Magnets are wonderful. I love magnets. Now, the first important thing to know about magnets is that magnets attract. Normally people think they just attract metal. No. Magnets also, if treated properly, attract such things as cigarettes, cocks, naked ladies, sometimes a torch, doors, any kind of door. Wood door, plastic door, anal door. What's an anal door? That's a different subject. Buckets. I can attract buckets. Magnets can attract buckets. You can attract buckets!
Give me my bucket!
Bucket. The answer of life is bucket. Anyway, they can attract many things if specially treated. Now, magnets in and of themselves, the way they actually attract these different things, normally, for just your regular run-of-the-mill magnet, what you've got to do is, if you have typically metal, some kind of metal, if you stroke the magnet just right and make it excited, all the electrons leave. Sleep. They pack their shit and they leave. That was a good time. They pack their shit.
I love you, Niecy.
They put their electrons, they put their neurons, they put their atoms, they put their E's all in one little place, and they fucking leave. And then the magnet is empty. And it is sad because it is empty. It goes to counseling. It has the counseling seminars. It is sad. It takes antidepressants. And then it realizes, hey, that fucking piece of metal over there has a fuckload of other guys that I want.
So it's Christina.
Yes. It's a Christina magnet. It'll do 4 guys at once for a bottle of Patron.
See, that's cheap, because she could actually do 5. I was just playing with
No. She did.
She let 3 guys run a train on her for a bottle of Patron. The 4th guy came in halfway, and she told him to join in.
No, Holly, tell him what you just said.
No.
No, that's a root. Any one woman can get 5 guys. You have a mouth, you have double penetration, you have 2 hands. What the hell was she doing with her other one?
You have to be good at what you do.
I am, thank you.
Now then, let's just put it this way.
So,
I don't have a small package. I fucked Christina. I didn't quite feel everything on the way in.
what's up?
Moving on. Now,
That's science.
since the magnet is now realizing that this other object has lots of guys that it wants in it, I'm implying everything on that. Since the magnet wants all these guys in it, from this other object that has the guys in it that it wants in it, from being in it for the in it of the on it, in it, that way backwards, sometimes you have to accept the fact that knowledge is negative truth. Basically, the magnet will decide, okay, I wish to travel to this other object that has these guys in it that I want in me of the on it, the in it, person in it, on it. I shall return with company. Good.
Drive safe.
No. We'll see if her car can do 100.
Okay.
Faster.
Mine can. Should about a Ford. Down the road, something. That's out at 138.
Moving on. So the magnet moves unstoppably toward this other object. Unfucking stoppably. Let's get that. You don't have to understand. You have to get a sense. Yes. So the magnet moves, and as it gets closer, it realizes, wow, I really like those guys. So it moves faster and faster and faster until they connect. And then the magnet realizes that it's very racist. Because half of the guys there are white, and half of the guys there are
Not white.
not white, just everything but. And it decides it only wants the white electrons to come over. it doesn't want the not white electrons to come over. Because that would be just corruptive to the magnet. It
Right.
doesn't want that bullshit. That would cause another civil war inside the magnet. Civil wars inside magnets are bad. I mean, shit, look what happened to China. I mean, look at China. Look at China. Look at Haiti. See what happens?
Mm-hmm.
When you have a personal magnet civil war,
Can I pitch a
Haiti
tent in your yard, Niecy?
About that 10 of them.
Mine will fit everybody's shit.
Let me know what
Are you talking about your...
and I won't be here.
ADD boy, finish your story.
penis. Okay, so the magnet's done... You knocked over my tiki. The magnet's done its racist thing. It has about half the population of the thing it wanted to hook up with. You like this? Suck.
Stroke.
It doesn't like that.
Stroke.
So, despite its best interest, it starts its own civil war. Bad things happen. Haiti happens. China happens. Look at China. That's what happens. It's China. It's China. Look at it.
It sucks.
There's Chinese people in it. China would be so much better if there just weren't Chinese people in it. You know? So,
I jacked
now,
the chair.
now the magnet needs to be charged for other things, because
I need my light.
it's a limited mindscape. You know, people think, oh, it's just for metal. It's just for metal. No, no, no. No. And there's even some metals. People think that magnets won't work on some metals. No, that's bullshit. That's bullshit. It's all a matter of just how you treat it, how racist the people in the magnet are, how racist the magnet is, how long your magnet is, a long magnet or a short magnet, or a thick magnet or a narrow magnet, or maybe if it was like a Marilyn Manson magnet, or maybe a corn
That's a
magnet.
creepy magnet.
Huh?
That's a creepy magnet.
It is a creepy magnet. It could be a magnet that Christina pulled out of her butt.
That's a scary magnet.
I'm not entirely sure what that would attract. I'm not sure I'd want to see it. The magnet or what it attracts.
Cody Anderson.
I'm really not sure.
Boogie monster.
Godzilla probably happened at that point. I'm thinking maybe Godzilla.
King Kong.
Or maybe Godzilla just came out the other way, you know, just was birthed
Right.
in there.
King Kong happened at that point.
Which one?
King Kong.
Because he's brown.
He's brown. King Kong's
He's
brown.
huge.
Very brown. And big. Very brown. So,
Put some Levy stuff on there.
back to the magnet. See, now you've got to charge the magnet properly for all objects in the universe. At which point, it's kind of important to note that a magnet that attracts absolutely everything tends to be where God divided by zero, which happens to be a black hole. So, what you do is you take this magnet, and you find the ugliest motherfucker that you know. Male or female, the ugliest motherfucker that you know. Luckily, we have several of those people in our presence tonight.
I know it ain't me, bitch. I'm shooting. I know it. Oh, shit.
We'll leave that open to interpretation. And several drinks.
There we go. Now you can actually see.
I can see!
But you had blacked out all I could see was a tiki torch, and now we got the light.
That's fair enough. Now then, you take the ugliest motherfucker you know, and you kill them.
I'm not.
Which has nothing to do with the magnet, it's just more fun when they're ugly and they die.
Yeah.
Especially if you murder them by slowly pouring jelly directly into their stomach, then open it and cut with a funnel, and just pouring it in there repeatedly until it's so full that it comes back out their mouth.
Is Leavenworth letting her out?
Yes. They let me out.
No, they kicked you out. They said, go away. Go.
They said, good job. They put the good job stamp on my butt and sent me on my way.
Chainsaw.
Yes. I had one of them once. Anyway. Anyway, back to the magnet. So you killed the ugliest person you know, and now you have to charge the magnet for everything. That was a burning bush.
So it's Christina's bush.
I like the burning bush. Also known as hot bush, steaming bush, and sometimes volcanic bush.
Look, it's Iceland.
Oh shit! No, it needs to erupt one more time and kill a few people.
It's not halting air traffic yet. Chris, how much did we have to drink?
Not enough.
Yeah.
This is
Okay.
a normal thing.
Normal?
We do this at Starbucks.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Now,
All
to
right.
finish with the magnet, because this should be a closing thing.
Right, science isn't interesting enough yet, so he hasn't had enough to drink.
Nope. To finish with the magnet, now that you've killed the ugliest person you know, you kill the second ugliest person you know, and
Okay,
then
now, I think
you have to travel to the nearest star, however you prefer it. But you can't do this in a ship. That's not right. You absolutely must ride the hottest fucking chick on the planet.
For how long?
8 seconds.
No.
3 hours.
No, see, in this case,
Hey, 8 seconds to glory. It's a movie. What?
in this case, she has to enjoy it too.
Yeah, we
So in the case of most males, you're looking at maybe a 6-hour trip.
What the fuck are you doing wrong? Okay.
I said most males. In the case of a few that are present, the 8-second rule I'm sure applies.
Is Mike ever going before 8 seconds? Say, yay! 8 seconds! Yeah.
Oh. Sounds quickie.
See, I think Denise is the only person where if I did the old trick of getting her from behind, grabbing her hair, and saying her sister was better, I think I'd shoot myself. You've seen her sister, right?
Yeah.
I think I'd shoot myself. And then I would expect every friend I had to come to the funeral and shoot me in the casket. And then set me on fire. And then don't. Don't.
I don't know how her shit
Sure.
came out so cute because she
Stop.
was butt ugly.
Just trust me, no. Good. Well, yeah, sure, she's blonde. Hate her. Hate her forever.
She's been rode hard and put up wet.
Penis what?
Put up wet, put up dripping wet.
Rode hard and put up wet.
Anyway, magnet. So you ride to the sun. Ride to the sun. On this hot chick. Do it. Do it harder. Do it faster. Okay. You ride to the sun on this hot chick. And right about the time that she bursts into flame, which will be about a split second before you do, you throw the magnet at the sun, and then you burst into flame. And then you follow the magnet, and you rub it on the sun's surface a little bit. You got to do it sensually. You got to do it nice. You got to rub it like the sun is your balls, and you're trying to have your balls be enjoyment. I said that right. Your balls be enjoyment. That is proper grammar, goddammit. And if it is, I'm going to make you believe it.
I don't have balls. I wouldn't know.
Grow them for this. Drop them out, rub the magnet on the sun with balls, and then suck them back in. No one will ever know.
Of course not, you burn up immediately afterwards.
Ball.
Well, besides, the whole time you're at the sun, there'll be flaming balls. They'll probably burn off anyway. No one will ever know. So, you rub it sensually, lovingly. You slap it a few times, tell it it's been a naughty bitch. Like this. Naughty bitch. And then you put the magnet back in your pocket. At which point, the proximity to your ass attracts it to absolutely everything in the multiverse. God decides he doesn't like that, divides you by 0, black hole happens. That magnet will attract every goddamn thing ever.